In an era of low global growth, the Pacific Pumas, Mexico, Colombia, Peru, and Chile are growing.
But the argument for PUMA economies is about more than just growth. Latin America has grown before.
Cycles of Latin American boom and bust have entrenched long-standing inequality, while short time horizons undermine any coherent development strategy.
So what makes us think that this time could be different?
It's the semblance of consistency. In recent years, the PUMA economies have demonstrated stability and resilience despite persistent global economic turbulence. It's that they've paired this growth with macroeconomic strength and stability. Inflation, a great bugaboo of Latin American development, has tracked advanced economy averages at least since 2005. Reserve positions have steadily increased since the financial crisis, suggesting ammunition to defend floating currencies. Fiscal prudence provided the PUMAs the bandwidth to assume counter-cyclical positions during the financial crisis, and since then, PUMA debt and deficit figures have generally remained within Maastricht criteria, even as much of Europe has not. The PUMAs have also taken strides towards integrating into the global economy, establishing trade agreements around the world, even as WTO dialogues stall. Moving forward, the PUMAs need to demonstrate an ability to turn agreements into more and better jobs on the ground. But with their improved macroeconomic foundation, the Pacific PUMAs have been able to pull millions of citizens into the middle class without sacrificing a positive business environment. This is the heart of Pumanomics, and it is why the PUMAs are poised to capitalize on the opportunities presented by a Pacific century.